The first thing, I think, among the first things that happened when I came to the YIVO was I was invited to sing at a YIVO dinner. So I got up and I did things that I had been actually working on in Chicago and performing in Chicago. So I, at that time, was working a lot in classical music in my musical life. And I did some Jewish music, but it was through a classical framework. And so I got up at this YIVO dinner and sang Lazar Weiner's and Gladstein's Tzelateldi, and up out of the audience, you know, kind of holding onto my arm, came Lazar Weiner, the composer. I had no idea that he was there. He was very gratified to hear a couple of his songs, and they're very sophisticated art songs. And he gave me a scholarship to his course at the 92nd Street Y. He invited me into his home. He coached me, and we had a wonderful relationship for a number of years.